everybody. Big storms working into south central Kentucky right now. These storms are going to be getting closer to us as we head into the midday time frame, likely even by late morning, because we're at 7:51 now. And I still think future radar, even though it goes out 2 hours, I think this is too slow. I think by really 9:30, approaching 10, it's going to be likely closer to Campbellsville, this first batch. But for sure, by the time we're near midday and early afternoon, storms are going to be likely. So you need to stay weather aware if you're going to an area lake today, if you're going, again, to be outside doing another cookout or heading to the pool. Stay weather aware. Remember, if thunder roars, go indoors until those storms pass on by. Low to mid 70s to kick off the day, but we're warming up already in the upper 70s in Richmond. We'll get an updated temperature at the Bluegrass Airport here in about 5 minutes, and we're likely upper 70s also. So this front is going to be the culprit, the main reason to help initiate more thunderstorms for us, and they're on the way. All right, so here's an update on Hurricane Beryl. Winds at 100 miles an hour. This is as of 8 a.m. and it made landfall here. What'll happen, it's projected to still go back over the weekend as soon as actually 2 a.m. tomorrow morning, back over the kind of the Bay of Campeche's here, but really this would be more considered the Gulf of Mexico again. Then it could make that next landfall. This is by 2 a.m. Monday, all right, near Brownsville, Texas. Then it starts to take that turn. Remember this? I've talked about this for a week now, that some long-term data was saying it could turn and the remnants of it could get drawn into Kentucky. And a lot of guidance is starting to show that this morning for us by next Thursday and Friday. It would be not the wind that they would get at the coast. It would be more rain, and we need it, all right? So storms are likely today. This front's going to sweep that line of storms. It's now near Bowling Green and up to about E-Town. It'll sweep them through here anywhere from late morning in our far western counties to early afternoon. Behind it, though, I think we could refire some scattered downpours, and some of those storms, though, today could definitely be on the stronger side. Storm Prediction Center has placed our entire area a level 1 risk, but again, weather aware day today. Mid and upper 80s before the storms get in or after, okay? Because these storms, once they move out, sun's going to break back out. That should warm us back up, but mid and upper 80s are likely for highs. Tonight, the storms end, patchy fog forms. We drop temperatures middle 60s to near 70 degrees, so in that ballpark. Tomorrow, we'll feel better. Humidity drops tomorrow. All right, a nicer day, but we'll still have likely some scattered clouds. Partly cloudy on Sunday. We start heating back up again. Storms late Monday. Scattered storms from a front on Tuesday. That front may stall Wednesday. And remember, what's left of Beryl could start to impact us by next Thursday and Friday. Still ways out. The path of that obviously could change. Let's hope that it gets here and does bring us some much needed rain.